Okay. 안녕하세요, Teacher Grace.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver since Junlin and Eliza
Mm.
have a class today. So they have 2 box of choco pie each, and that is from Kim Sarangnim.
Kim Sarangnim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Junlin and Eliza.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. 안녕하세요, Junlin and Eliza.
안녕하세요, Teacher Grace.
Okay, kumusta man ang school karon?
Okay ra.
Perfect sa exam?
Papa nag-check.
Okay. Kim Sarangnim give you 2 choco pie each.
Uncle Kim Saranglim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
안녕히가세요.
안녕히가세요.
So, Teacher Rika.
안녕하세요.
Okay, the choco pie for Malin. She have 2 box of choco pie, and also Phoebe and Kongju, princess, each one. Okay, and that is from Tubunim.
두분님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Malin, PB and Princess.
Okay. Okay, Dondon. Okay, so since Nana is in the school, okay, she have 2 box of choco pie, and that is from Tubunim.
Name kamsahamnida for this choco pie for Nana.
Okay. Take a video, yeah? Video. Okay, bye-bye.
How is your school, Nana?
Yes, I'm fine.
Tubunim give you these 2 boxes of choco pies.
두분님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Rika.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the 2 choco pie for Keisha, since she is in the school today, and 400 pesos allowance, and that is from Aninonim.
안ino님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Kisha.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, NLG. Tubunim gave you 500 pesos allowance, your school allowance. Okay?
Uncle 두분님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Alright. Fighting? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wow, kanay so haircut ni Darrell. Papadakpi Darrell ang tukpe.
Ako na, snap ko. Mane, para din ako makapalit sa snap.
Tubunim an maayong buntag nim go. Okay. 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Alona's mom.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so Alona is in the school today.
Oh, school.
Okay, so she have 25 kilos of rice, and also 1,000 pesos for gas fee. Okay, and that is from Maayong Buntag Nim.
Mayong buntag ni 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Ate Alma.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Your baby? Kapilat?
9.
Ika-9. Ang kana po.
Paduwa
Buhatonon ba? So, I'm here to deliver. You have 5 kilogram of rice. Okay. And also, 500 pesos. I don't have 500 peso bill man. So, 10 pieces of 50 pesos for you, for the total of 500 pesos for the gas fee. Okay ra? Okay. And that is from Maayong Buntag Meme.
Ang nga sa'yo, mayong buntag name, kamsamida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Melissa.
Anyo nga sa'yo.
Okay, so since Desiree have a class today, okay, she have 5 kilogram of rice, and that is from Maayong Buntag Meme.
Ayong buntag ni, anyo nga sa'yo. Kamsamida for Desiree.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Rika.
Anyo nga sa'yo.
So Teacher Gretchen will make the ledger for Jocelyn and Gina Rose. They have 2,000 pesos each, and Teacher Gretchen will make ledger. Okay. Since Teacher Gretchen in the school, and that is from Ichangunim.
Ichanggonim, anyo nga sa'yo. Kamsamida for Jocelyn and Generals.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nga sa'yo, July.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. Today, you will receive 50 pesos for your allowance. So, di na ka masig-absent ha. Nana kay baon. Okay? This given by Ichangunim. Ichangunim, anyo nga sa'yo, kansamida.
Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye. Anyong ha sa'yo, student.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. Each one of you will receive 50 pesos for your baon. Okay? Okay. This is given by Ichangunim.
이창구님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Study hard, ha? Okay. Good luck for your exam today.
마지님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 마지님 안녕하세요.
I'm earning. Ano kuwas biro tayo kaya nagtalikod.
안녕하세요. This is my school supplies. So, modern bag. And my scissors, marker, fold-up sheets, clips, pencil, scotch tape, and notebook. So, yan. 5 din yung notebook. And lapit today to all dress. Dress. That's siya. ini. Alagkatag ani kasi tubunin and isang wanin. Tubunin isang wanin. Kamsahamnida. Bye bye. Yung hasayo so kalon di ay magluto ko og noodles. Ang gihatag ning tubunin. So mao din yung lutoon. Sugod siya.